Increase your blood flow. Certainly, here are several foods that can help increase blood flow and blood circulation. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that promotes the expansion of blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow. It also helps lower blood pressure. Cayenne pepper. Capsaicin, the active compound in cayenne pepper, has vasodilating properties, promoting the widening of blood vessels and enhancing blood flow. Beets. Beets are high in nitrates, which help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. They can be consumed in various forms, including raw, cooked, or as beet juice. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help reduce blood clots and improve overall circulation. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and berries are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for strengthening blood vessel walls and improving blood circulation. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory and vasodilating effects, helping to widen blood vessels and enhance blood flow. Ginger. Ginger contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve blood circulation. It can be consumed in teas, soups, or added to various dishes. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of L-arginine, an amino acid that helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. They also contain healthy fats and antioxidants. Cinnamon contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, promoting healthy blood circulation. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and nitrates, which can help improve blood circulation. Pomegranate juice is a convenient way to consume this fruit. Onions. Onions contain a compound, flavonoid, known for its antioxidant properties, has potential health benefits, including its ability to support cardiovascular health. Avocado. Avocado is rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and improve blood circulation. It also contains healthy monounsaturated fats. Including these foods in your balanced diet can contribute to better blood circulation and overall cardiovascular health. However, it's essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and avoiding excessive intake of processed foods and sodium, for optimal blood circulation. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to SF Healthcare, and share it with your friends and family. Stay healthy and stay tuned for more valuable content.